You think she ghosted you because she's toxic or afraid of commitment. That's the first mistake. Science actually calls this sudden romantic disengagement, but you know it as the ick. It's not her being random, it's a sophisticated biological firewall slamming shut. Evolution designed women with a reject-first sensitivity because, historically, choosing the wrong partner was a massive survival risk. Her brain isn't being mean, it's running a security scan, and you just triggered a system failure. Here are the 5 mistakes that trip the alarm. The second mistake is triggering the disgust button without realizing it. Neurobiology tells us that the part of her brain responsible for the ick, the anterior insular cortex, is the exact same part that stops her from eating rotten food. When you have bad hygiene, a weird smell, or a desperate vibe, her brain doesn't just think he's annoying. It classifies you as a biological contaminant. It's a somatic visceral recoil. You can't logic your way out of it because her body is reacting to you like you're a literal virus. The third mistake is ignoring the micro cue. You think, why does it matter how I chew my food or walk? But look at the classic case of Madame Bovary. She didn't leave her husband because he was evil. She left because he was sluggish and ate slowly. To her primal brain, that sluggishness was a massive red flag for low vitality. Her subconscious is pattern matching. If you walk slow or act lazy, her genes scream that you are socially incompetent and unfit for survival. A small behavior becomes a massive symbol of your worth. The fourth mistake is stomping on the gas pedal when the brake is already down. Attraction works on a dual control model. Think of it like a car with an accelerator, excitement, and a brake, inhibition. When she gets the ick, her brain slams the emergency brake. Most guys react by trying harder, sending more texts, buying gifts, being extra. But you're just revving the engine while the car is locked. You aren't creating desire, you're creating stress. When her inhibition system is active, your nice guy act feels like a threat. The fifth mistake is becoming domestic furniture. Disgust thrives in stagnation. If she only sees you lounging on the couch in sweatpants, her brain files you under safe, boring family member rather than exciting partner. The study shows that to kill the ick, you need an element shift. She needs to see you from a distance, succeeding at something difficult. So how do you fix it? You have to hack the software. You can't talk her into liking you again. You have to remove yourself from the environment that caused the disgust. Stop being always available in the domestic zone and let her see you in your element, commanding a room, excelling at a sport, or fixing a problem. You need to flip the switch from annoying obstacle to competent stranger. Her biology needs to see you winning out there to want you back in here.